Are we making headway here in this, the suffering, pain, pleasure stuff, right? Getting some. Okay, now watch. The headway will disappear. See, why? Because what we're really committed to. Brennan was telling me the other day about a soldier's response to the officer, how he's doing. He said, no Maserati, no problem, living the dream. I guess you had to be there. In any case, kind of inherent in the statement is doing what he's doing, being happy with what he's doing, see? Although he keeps a picture of a Maserati up in the barracks there. You know, a little like there's a song. I don't know, is it Eagles? Anyway, it's a song, and he's, you know, you might have heard, he's saying, I know you won't let me down because I'm already standing on the ground. See? I think it's a lovely sentiment. Because you see, he's talking to a woman. He's going on about, you know, the woman and everything. He says, and I know you won't let me down because I'm already standing on the ground. See, he's not making the woman responsible for his happiness. See? He's not saying, you can't let me down. I'm responsible. I'm standing on the ground. See? See? I'm not depending on you to lift me up so that you can let me down. You see what I'm saying? It's kind of inherent in the statement. You see, that's a very mature statement. Who was that?
The Eagles.
That was the Eagles? Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Yes, sir.
Why do you say the headway will disappear? Or I guess my question is, like, has the headway been dependent upon? Because it seems like for me, I've had some insights and I've been doing practice and work and like, oh yeah, no, I feel like I am less caught up in my suffering, you know, and this whole thing. But then if, you know, what's that headway dependent upon?
No, that's fine. I'm talking about the headway we made today.
Oh.
See, in trying to grasp the nature of suffering, pain, and pleasure, and what's going on, and why. Right? See? And that we could allow experience to be experience, see? And not covet it, not, you know, fear it, etc. You know what I'm saying? So we could, like I said, you know, if an experience that you were suffering was nothing but your life, there would be no suffering because it would just be called life. Kind of thing. Yeah? The headway I was talking about is trying to grasp the nature of this stuff. Okay? And so you start to grasp the nature of this thing and what's going on here. And inherent in that is the possibility of freedom from it. Rabbit. I'm gonna keep a rabbit's foot or something. Oh, you have to kill the rabbit. Yeah, but he didn't suffer. Anyway, because what's going to happen? See, you're going to fall right back into pain and pleasure, seeking pleasure, and avoiding suffering, and right? See? 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 Why? Well, because that's our commitment is to survival. No, we might also have this other possibility. Being, let's say, just use the name being, you see? But that would presuppose that we could somehow give up 99% of everything we're attached to, okay? And that's likely not what we want to do. See, so we'll continue to suffer.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.